Hello students, today we all have learned the next topic of the chapter microbes in human welfare. Microbes in human welfare. The next welfare of microbes for human is microbes in the production of biogas. Microbes in the production of biogas. The biogas is the mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Methane and carbon dioxide 60% plus 40%. 60% methane and 40% carbon dioxide. The mixed form is the biogas. Some hydrogens are also present in them, but the majority is the two gases, methane and carbon dioxide. The microbes, methanogens. Microbes, methanogens. The bacteria which take part in the production of biogas. The bacteria methanogens generally found in the marshy places and farms of paddy field, cattle, guts, the various forms found in the various regions. The production of biogas in a large scale by using a specific plant known as biogas plant. This plant was designed by the two organizations. The first organization is IARI, and second is KVIC. IARI, Indian Agriculture Research Institutes, and KVIC, Khadi and Village Industrial Commissions. Both organizations compound work to form biogas plant. In the biogas plants, 10 to 15 feet deep trench known as digester. In digesters, salaries come from the one trench in which cow dungs and water are mixed. Both mixed compound passes through a tunnel in the digester. The mixed form is known as slurry. Thus, on the slurry, a floating cover is kept. When the biogas is formed, then the floating covers gradually goes in the upsides. जैसे जैसे बायोगैस बनेगी उसके कारण जो फ्लोटिंग कवर है वो धीरे धीरे अपना ऊपर उठेगा. इससे ये इंडिकेट होता है कि हाँ बायोगैस का फॉर्मेशन इसमें हो रहा है. बायोगैस CH4 plus CO2. And next, when the biogas are formed by the slurry, when completely used, then it passes in the another chambers known as sludge. known as sludge. In the sludge, removes and used as manures. When the biogas are formed, this in the upper covers contain outlets by which the gas released and used in the various purposes for the cooking of the food and for the lighting etc. So it is the biogas plants. Who designed the biogas plant? Two organizations, IARI and KVIC. Okay. Next, is the microbes as biocontrol agent. Microbes as biocontrol agents. Biocontrol agents the various groups of microbes used for the controlling of different types of insects which are harmful for our life as well as plants. The first, baculovirus. Baculovirus is generally infect the arthropods. इंसेक्ट को इन्फेक्ट कर देता है जिससे वो किल हो जाता है और हमारी क्रॉप्स जो है उस इंसेक्ट से बची रहती है. तो baculovirus यूजफुल फॉर human being for the protection of the different crops. Second, Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis Bacillus thuringiensis the bacteria. Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria शॉर्ट में क्या कहते हैं BT. Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria used in the controlling of different insects which disturb our crops, that is brinjal, cotton, etc. So Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria produce a toxic protein which are harmful for the insect. When insect eats the leaf of plants, in this Bacillus spores or protein kill the insect and protect the crops. Third, Trichoderma fungus. Trichoderma fungus are used to protection of the different crops because the Trichoderma protect to crops by various ways. So these are the microbes which are used as biocontrol agents. or the protection of our crops. Next, microbes as biofertilizers. Microbes as biofertilizers. The different groups of microbes increase the fertility of soil. Microbes की different varieties, that is bacteria, cyanobacteria and fungus, increase the fertility of soils by various ways. That is, number one, bacteria, example rhizobium, rhizobium is a variety of bacteria which is known as symbiotic relationship. It fixes atmospheric nitrogen in the natural ways and increase the fertility of soil. Rhizobium, Nitrobacter, etc. Cyanobacteria, the cyanobacteria is a group of primitive bacteria, radish, noster, Anabaena, increase the fertility of soil by the nitrogen fixation. The third is fungus. The different species of fungus show a specific relationship known as symbiotic relationship, and other is mycorrhiza. It is the symbiotic relationship between fungus and roots of plants. The mycorrhiza helps in the absorption of waters and absorption of minerals. It generally absorbs phosphorus and other minerals which are very useful for the plant's life. The mycorrhiza also protect to plants to infections of certain bacteria and other pathogens. So these are the various microbes by which increase the fertility of soil. Bacteria, cyanobacteria and fungus. These microbes increase the fertility of soils by the various ways. Today the chapter is completed. Microbes in human welfare. So generally summary, we know that how microbes are useful for human life. The first is microbes used in the household product. Microbes का हमने कहाँ यूज किया था? हाउस होल्ड, बहुत सारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे घरों में यूज किए जाते हैं, जो हम फूड के रूप में लेते हैं, उसको बनाने में उसका यूज किया जाता है। सेकेंड, माइक्रोब्स यूज इन इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट्स, बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट्स, दैट इज द बेवरेज, एंटीबायोटिक्स एंड bioactive molecules, various. And next, the microbes used in the सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट्स। माइक्रोब्स का यूज कहां किए? सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट में हम बताया था। जो सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट, सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट्स है, वो टोटली किस पे डिपेंड है? द माइक्रोब्स। एंड नेक्स्ट, माइक्रोब्स यूज इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बायोगैस, microbes used as the biocontrol agents, and microbes used as the biofertilizers. These are the various ways by which the microbes are useful for human life. Okay.